Okay, we have this situation, two capacitors in parallel. Then from A to B, potential difference from A to B, well, field is path independent. Okay, so the integral of the electric field over path, whatever path you take, has to be the same. Same for both paths. So, if this is capacitor C1, this is capacitor C2, then you have V1 across here. If you have a V2 across here, well, the potential difference, another way to look at it, the potential difference between here and here is what? Ideal wires, it's zero, right?
Yeah.
Or no current, it's got to be zero, okay? And between here and here?
Zero.
Zero. So from here to here has to be the same as from here to here, right? Okay? Okay. Now apply the definition of capacitance. And see if you can find the capacitance across the parallel capacitance between here and here.